Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, nice day here. Higher highs, higher lows, and sure, the price didn't necessarily explode upwards or anything like that, but it's showing some signs of progress, and certainly updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do actually is just get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level still pertains, just not relevant right now from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible moving forward. But the first dynamic to just note is that the price is still doing a good job of staying above both areas of support that I've talked about in past videos. So even if you didn't watch those past videos, the levels that I've talked about are right here at right around the $46 mark, and then also that purple line there, which on my charts denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average. So point here being both of those levels are supports, and given that the price is still nicely above both of them, I mean, that's not a guarantee of anything, but that is a nice little sign of strength that overall it was a healthy day when the price, manages to stay above those levels of support. So continue to watch those moving forward. But the one adjustment that needs to be made, and this is a good adjustment, and this is just based on the fact that we have a little bit more data, is I'm going to go ahead and adjust this level of resistance now up to right here at $50.50. And whenever levels of resistance need to be adjusted in the upwards direction, like what I just did here, once again, not a guarantee of anything, but that's certainly a nice step in the right direction. Assuming you're long, you want to see highs, getting higher and higher, and that's what that does represent. But this actually makes really good sense on why 50-50 is behaving the way it is. I mean, you look back here, and you can see it was an area of support right there. And then there is a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And that is exactly what is going on right here, acting as resistance. So while I'm not saying that it's impossible to break up through 50-50, I'm just saying it makes sense why the price is currently struggling at that area. And that'll certainly be the big breakout point to watch going into next week. So all in all, nice movement today. Higher highs, higher lows. That's what matters most. So let's see what this one has to offer next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.